Welcome to this month's 2-Minute Tip. As teachers of multilingual learners, we know how important it is to build students' vocabulary muscles. So today, I want to invite you into a third grade classroom to examine what effective intentional vocabulary exercise can look like for English learners. What makes this class's vocabulary learning so effective is that it incorporates several powerful strategies that propel language learning, which we'll highlight throughout the video. So let's jump into this third grade, where we find the teacher has chosen 5 to 7 words to learn, and then very importantly, offers repeated exposure with purposeful, quick, active practice throughout the week.
Ready? Sword.
Sword.
Bats.
Bats.
Vertical.
Vertical.
Disbanded.
Disbanded.
Sprawling.
Sprawling.
Illustrate.
Illustrate.
What does it mean if it soars?
Note that students receive visual support through imagery that they're finding on the teacher's slides and through gestures.
Soaring through the air. Excellent, like our eagle. Next word, vats. What are vats, Blake?
Vats. Vats are large tanks or tubes that hold water or other liquids.
So we have large tubs. Show me vats. Tall vats, very tall. Vats that hold a lot of liquid. Excellent. Show me vertical. Show me vertical. What does vertical look like? Excellent. What does that mean if something's vertical?
If something is vertical, it stands up tall or points up.
Excellent, like the tomato plants are growing vertical. Disbanded. Show me disbanded. Alexa, could you use disbanded in a sentence?
I did not like that our group disbanded because we did not agree.
Excellent.
Okay.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Show me sprawling. Show me bats. Show me sword. Show me illustrate.
Pay attention, too, to the multiple opportunities the teacher gives students, not only to read and hear the words,
Show me vertical.
but to pronounce them as
Ready?
well.
Yes.
Sprawling. Vats. Illustrate. Vats. Vertical. Sprawling.
Show me
Another
sword.
great thing we see students doing
Here.
is using the words in their own authentic sentences.
Mrs. Barnes has an eagle on the board soaring through the air. I want you to turn to your partner. Think of a sentence using sword. What animal, not an eagle, can be soaring in your sentence? Call it back to me on 3. 1, 2, 3. Would like to share their sentence for sword. Soared through the air, hands tall.
We also see the teacher making connections to the words that students find in texts that they're reading.
The flying squirrel soared through the air.
Thumbs up if you remember a flying squirrel from one of our stories. Excellent.
By the end of the week, the teacher has students writing these words, utilizing sentence stems. The falcon soared above the verdant forest. The group disbanded because they didn't like each other. The artist illustrated the story using colored pencils and pastels. As you can see, this teacher works a few quick minutes of explicit vocabulary instruction into her lesson plan every day. It's targeted and it's enthusiastic. Students are moving and working together, having fun playing with language. And we see her implementing a variety of highly effective strategies, offering students repeated exposure, visual support, pronunciation practice, authentic definitions and connections, and gives them the opportunity to practice all 4 language domains. I invite you to make your vocabulary instruction more purposeful and fun. It will make a difference for your multilingual learners and, of course, help all of the students in your classroom. On behalf of everyone in ENL, thank you for being a teacher and for doing such amazing things in the service of children.